Welcome to the final video in our series on evaluating an AI solution. So far, you've learned how to find the right problem, choose a solution type, vet vendors, prepare your data, and prepare your team. In this last video, we're going to bring this all together and talk about the most practical subject of all, the total investment for your AI solution and how to budget for it. To create a realistic budget for your first AI solution, it's helpful to think of the total investment like an iceberg. The part you see above the water is the direct cost of the software itself, the price on the proposal. It's the most obvious part, and it's what most businesses focus on initially. But the real foundation for a successful project, the part that ensures that the technology actually delivers value, lies just below the surface. This isn't about scary, unexpected charges. It's about practical investments in your team and your process that turn a piece of software into a powerful business solution. Understanding this full picture is the key to creating a smart plan and budgeting with confidence. So let's break down the whole iceberg, starting with the top. The tip of the iceberg is what you see on the proposal or the price list. This is your direct cost, and it typically comes in one of two forms, which we discussed in our second video. First, for an off-the-shelf product, it's the predictable ongoing subscription fee. This is often the lower upfront cost that makes it easier to get started. Second, for a custom fit solution, it's the upfront project fee. This is a larger, one-time capital investment in an asset that is built specifically for your business. This direct cost is the most straightforward part of your budget, but it's only the starting point of the total investment. Now for the most important part of our budget, the foundation that lies below the surface. These aren't just surprise fees. They're planned investments that ensure your project succeeds. First, as we've already discussed, are integration costs. This is the investment required to make sure that your new AI solution talks seamlessly with the other software you already use. Second, there are potential cloud and infrastructure fees. This is the cost of the computing power for the AI to run. Third, and perhaps the biggest investment, is your team's time. This includes the hours your staff will dedicate to preparing data, participating in training, and helping with the implementation. And finally, there's the permanent operational cost of ongoing human oversight. This is the time that your team will spend guiding the AI and managing expectations to ensure quality. By planning for these foundational investments, you create a realistic budget and set your project up for success. So after looking at the whole iceberg, you might be thinking, this seems a little complicated. But our goal here isn't to overwhelm you. It's to do the exact opposite. It's to empower you. Think of it like any major project, like building a house. You wouldn't just look at the price of the land. You create a realistic budget that includes the cost of the foundation, the materials, and the labor. Budgeting for an AI solution is exactly the same. Knowing this full picture from the start is what separates a successful AI project from a frustrating one. It allows you to create a realistic budget, ask much smarter questions, and choose a partner who is completely transparent with you from day one. Ultimately, this knowledge is your most powerful tool for making a confident and successful investment in your business's future. Understanding the total investment is the final step in your evaluation. Your next step is to take what you've learned and start a conversation. If you have a quick win in mind and want to discuss what a realistic, transparent investment would look like for your business, we're here to help. Contact us at Aceto AI to schedule a no-obligation consultation. Thank you for watching our series.